Alright guys, Troy-Bilt pressure washer. It's been in storage for a little while. Got it out today. Did a little pressure washing. As I noticed, as you pull the handle, it works fine, but when you let up, it starts surging. You can feel it in the hose, the motor. So the fix to that is take this little relief valve off. There's two pieces, this piece and this piece. Just take it out, clean it out, don't spend too much time on it, maybe 2 or 3 minutes. Put it back in, either or, as long as it all tightens up. Put it back together, start it up, and see if that fix worked for me. Hope it works for you guys.